So today we're making Yaki Udon, which is essentially Japanese stir-fried noodles, except made with udon noodles. And the recipe is super easy and super delicious, so I hope you guys all enjoy. So, as with any stir-fry recipe, 95% of the cooking is really in the preparation. So, I'm going to put the recipe down below, but I have an onion, some carrots that I've matchsticked, some cabbage leaves, and then also some mushrooms. Now, time for the sauce. I'm going to keep it very simple. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and you can dress it up however you wish. So you can add a little bit of minced garlic, some garlic powder, but this is the basic. So I've been reading up more and more on oils as of late, and I'll give you an article link down below, but we're gonna do this stir fry again without oil, and it's completely possible and it's still just as tasty. So what I end up doing though is putting the harder vegetables to cook first. So that's going to be my onion and that's going to be my carrots. And I'm just putting this over medium to medium-high heat and putting in some water. And as the water evaporates, I add in a little bit more water until the onions caramelize and brown up, and then the carrots soften. It's a little bit more of a tedious process, but the whole caramelization still works out fine, and you don't have to use all that oil. I'm just adding in the Napa cabbage, which, by the way, you should just use a normal green cabbage, but I did not have that, and the mushrooms, and a little bit more water. And I'd say like 1 to 2 minutes or so until those slightly wilt down, and then I add in the sauce and the udon. I'm sure you guys all recognize these noodles that we stepped on Thursday, and I'm gonna put a link down below for those. So fresh udon, this is gonna be a special meal. Mix all of that together, and then once that's good, give it a taste. Does it need some salt? Do you wanna add some pepper? And this guy is good to go. This is just a very basic dish that is transformed by the thick and chewy udon noodles. I mean, you guys saw how easy that was. Anyways, gals and guys, I hope you all enjoyed that recipe. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again real soon. Bye!